Currently, in AD 2023, Java Spring Boot is the most popular backend web app software development framework with over 50% market share. I think knowing how to use Java Spring Boot is a must-have skill in software development nowadays. Java Spring Boot is built on the top of the Spring platform, according to the official statement at spring.io/project/spring-boot. Spring Boot makes it easy to create standalone production-grade Spring-based applications that you can just run. To the best of my knowledge, Java Spring Boot is mostly used to implement REST API backend server. I don't know yet what other types of applications Java Spring Boot can be used to implement, if any, other than REST API backend server. Spring Boot has two major official references at spring.io/project/spring-boot #learn reference doc and API doc. The Spring Boot reference doc has the following copyright terms. Copies of this document may be made for your own use and for distribution to others, provided that you do not charge any fee for such copies, and further provided that each copy contains this copyright notice, whether distributed in print or electronically. The Spring Boot API doc is a Java doc with a documentation in the Spring Boot source code. The Spring Boot is an open source project at github.com/spring-project/spring-boot with Apache license 2.0. So as long as I don't charge any money, I can distribute any portions of both the Spring Boot reference doc and the Spring Boot API doc. As a part of my Java Spring Boot learning process, I'll go over the Spring Boot reference doc and API doc. The Spring Boot reference documentation consists of the following sections: using Spring Boot, build systems, structuring your code, configuration, Spring Beans, and dependency injection, dev tools, and more. Core features: profiles, logging, internationalization, task execution and scheduling, testing, and more. Web, servlet web, reactive web, embedded container support, graceful shutdown, and more. Data, SQL and NoSQL data access. I/O, caching, Quart scheduler, REST client, sending email, Spring Web Services, and more. Messaging, JMS, AMQP, Apache Kafka, RSocket, WebSocket, and Spring integration. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors.